Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm in the party place and we're going to look at the Halloween decorations. This could get really scary, but come along with me as I show you what they have that's really scary. I have a couple of these myself. Let's go to the friendly side. So if you want friendly Halloween, they do have some friendly Halloween. Let's walk on further up and see what they have here. They even have decor if you're gonna have a party.
You ever walking? Huh? No.
Not for the kiddies. Oh goodness, there's Chucky. If you need a costume, this is where you want to come. You can even be an astronaut.
Hey, there's two of these things that are.
If you're hosting a party,
All right, Michael. Set yourself up. Where am I gonna put it?
these are all the lights.
Where's Annabelle go?
Over there.
She's 40. She's ugly.
She goes on that bottom shelf.
I know, but she's ugly.
Party supplies.
Welcome to the party.
Oh my goodness, look at this one. It's 180. Don't really know what she does, but look like she's tied up. The zombies are $40.
I got two deliveries.
Well, I'm gonna put it on the shelf. Is she $45?
Well, I hope you have gotten some ideas for your Halloween decorations. And this is Emma. I'm going to leave you from the party store. You all have a great day, and do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment button if you're not a part of our family.
Probably turned off yesterday and then I didn't turn it back on this morning. Don't really do anything. Or if the dogs are head moved back and forth.
I'll be seeing you in my next video.